my handy dandy bag. All right, let's get started. So when I was on the field trip to the aquarium, my favorite sea creature that I seen was a jellyfish. He's so cool. They were neat. You could see them just kind of, they looked like they were just floating in the water. So I thought it would be fun to make our very own jellyfish. What do you say? Yeah? Okay. So, I know your teachers are talking about recycling, and I thought it would be fun to use more stuff from home. And I know I have a lot of these. So I bet if you asked your mom or dad, they could probably get you one of these. And what I'm talking about is one of these plastic bags from the grocery store. Yeah. I hate throwing them away because they're not good for the environment. So anytime I can reuse it, it makes me happy. So I thought it would be really cool to reuse one of these plastic bags. So they make all the colors. So I picked white and blue. Now, what you want to do is get a pair of scissors and you're going to cut strips of plastic. Okay, now remember, I like to remind you guys, when you're using scissors, you want your thumb in the little hole and you want your 3 tall guys in the large opening here, okay? And then remember, thumb up, don't turn, okay? So then you're just going to cut, open, close, and cut strips of plastic. Now I already did mine, so I'll show you. So I made these strips like that. Okay. And then what you're going to need, you can use whatever you have at home. You could use a paper plate, you could use construction paper, cardboard. I decided to reuse, I had this Styrofoam tray and I thought it'd be really cool to reuse it. And you're going to cut, I had to actually draw mine and cut it out. But if you use a paper plate, all you had to do is cut it in half. But again, if you need help, ask me. Okay? Then what you're going to do, I took 2 or 3 of these long strands of plastic here and I taped it on the back. So let me show you. I'm going to get 2 strips here and you can put as many as you'd like. And I'm going to tape it on here. Okay, so you'll need some tape. Not a lot of tape, just a little piece. And then you're just going to tape it on the back. Okay? And there you go. And you can do as many legs as you want. Okay? Well, that one blew off, so let me re-tape that. right. Now the other thing you can do is if you have bubble wrap, you could put bubble wrap on here to make it bumpy. If you like a bumpy texture, you could put sand, put glue and then cover it with sand or glitter. I'm gonna leave mine plain because this styrofoam is already kind of textured. But what I am gonna do, because I like to add eyeballs, I don't have any wiggle eyeballs, but if you do, you could glue some of those on. I'm going to draw 2 big eyeballs. Look at that. Maybe do that. All right, I gave my jellyfish some eyeballs. All right. And then the best thing about this jellyfish is, look at that. Especially on a windy day like today, they move all around. And it's fun to dance with, just like the jellyfish in the ocean. All right, guys, so that's all I have for today. I hope you had fun hanging out with me. And again, remember, get outside any chance you can, move those bodies, and stay safe. See you next week. Bye.